In this video, I'm going to show you how to change name in Bybit account. So make sure you are logged into their official website. So on the upper right corner, you will notice here the profile icon. Click on that, and then as you can see in here, I'm not yet verified. So in order to change your name in here, you'll need to get verified first in here. And navigate the account info, and then in this section you will be able to change your name in here. So unfortunately, I can show you directly how to do that because I'm not yet verified here in Bybit. But assumingly we are verified in here, you will see here this kind of icon that you can change your name. And that's it. That's how you change name in Bybit account. I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.